Here we come to the elevator at the, what is this? The Comfort Inn. Yeah, the Comfort Inn somewhere in, what town is this? Altoona? Somewhere outside of Altoona?
Yes, it's Dunkinsville.
I don't really like this elevator, but it's okay.
Patrick, it's in Dunkinsville.
All right, I'll listen to the elevator. This motor, door motor. The door is like, listen to this door. Listen to this. It's definitely an older one. Doesn't have a chime at all. Chimes have been disabled. Check this out. That's one of those. No, this is the 330A, or is it the, I think it's the 321A. It's very quiet.